The West Indian manatee. A distant relative of the elephant, there are less than 7,000 individuals left in the wild. From an animal that weighs half a ton, you might expect to hear great grunts or bellows. But in fact, manatees make a surprising sound. It might not sound like much, but new research shows that these high-pitched squeaks travel up to 800 feet in quiet, shallow waters. Each winter, temperatures out at sea plummet so low that little ones can perish in the cold. So they must travel 6 miles inland, through rivers, to reach the safety of warm water springs. When the playful calf wanders off, Mum calls her back in line. The pair constantly chatter so they can stick together on their journey. But in recent times, the soundscape of the manatee's ancient migration route has started to change. In shallow waters, propeller sounds can disorientate the manatees, drowning out their soft squeaks, making it harder for mums and calves to keep in touch. It takes 2 days of swimming before the sound of boats starts to fade. And in the distance, there are some familiar chirps. This mum and calf aren't the only ones to have made it. Manatees from far and wide have travelled from the dangerously cold ocean to this warm spring. By using squeaks to keep in touch. It's just one of the many new discoveries that are changing our understanding of the importance of sound in these so-called silent waters.